welcome back to my channel. I'm just gonna apologize really quickly in advance for the audio. I'm actually just using the mic on my camera, but my room is incredibly echoey, so I'm just gonna apologize in advance. But today is another nail vlog, and I wanted to show you guys how I fix my broken nail. A lot of you guys had requested this yesterday for me to upload it to my channel, and now I was gonna wait a little bit before I posted this just to make sure that nothing was happening and to kind of see if it was gonna break again or anything like that. But I just decided that any updates about the nail I will leave in the description box. As of now, my nail is really strong, very tough. These are my nails at the moment. These are Put It In Neutral by OPI, the gel polish. These are my natural nails, and I am so proud of growing them out this far. But yeah, they do have the tendency to break because of how long they are. So this salon is actually specialized in gel products. They don't do any acrylic nails. They only do UV nails, extension nails, hard gel nails, like all those types of gel products. So they were really familiar with the poly gel that I had on, and they removed it for me. And then, yeah, I just got regular gel manicure. Now the nail tech that I normally go to, Vivian, she is specialized in dipping powder. So I plan on getting dip powder after these nails grow out a little bit longer. So that's kind of like the plan of progress. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how they fixed my nail, what exactly they did. I thought about doing like the at-home super glue method or the tea bag method. Those ones honestly didn't work out for me. I've done it in the past and they just never worked. So I'm going to show you how we fixed it for $4. Pricing is of course different at every salon, but I just thought you guys would be super interested in seeing how she fixed my nails. So let's just get on and go to the salon. Today you guys wanted to see my broken nail. I'm gonna just show you guys up close my broken nail. Can you guys see that, like that crack right in here? I don't wanna put any tension on it, but it's right in that corner right there. And again, I don't wanna like press it all the way. I wanna like leave it as still as possible. Now this nail here is fake. This is a fake nail because when I was removing my polygel myself, it actually split and on both sides, so I just chopped the nail off, and this is a fake nail here. So this is what my real nail looks like. This is completely real, authentic nails. I mean, these ones here are real too. This one's split, and then this one is fake. So I'm gonna go in and we're gonna just check to see how they can fix this. I got my gel nails done on Monday, and today is Thursday, so it's only been 3 days. So let's just go ahead and see how they're gonna fix my ring finger. Really excited because I think these kinds of videos are super important, but yeah, I'm so sad. Look at that nail. All right, let's get started with the gel removal process. So, of course, to mend the kink in my nail, she'll have to remove the gel polish that I did on that Monday, and this day was Thursday. So it only had been 3 days. You guys have seen this removal process from multiple nail techs that I've gone to, but we remove it, then she scrapes off the residue of the gel polish. I got really nervous at this part because I honestly felt like she was just gonna rip the entire nail growth that I had, because the kink is on the right corner in between the white part and the pink part of my nail. Now when she was using the drill, I asked her to be really careful because honestly my hands were sweating at this point. It was just really nerve-wracking to see her using the drill and then getting so close to the split, but it was okay. I mean, I understand why she had to do that. So then she put some dehydrator, I think, on my nails. So in this clip you can clearly see the deep split. It's like a third of the way in. So how we fixed it was with this gelish product, the hard UV gel, which I'm very familiar with and I've used on the past in other videos on my channel. It's almost like nail polish. You just paint it right on, but it creates a really glass-like hard barrier. It's not gluing the two pieces that have fallen apart together. It's really just creating a protective barrier over my nails so that nothing can get past or nothing can really continue to irritate that split, which is what I prefer because I've tried using the super glue method like I mentioned, and it just doesn't work. So because of how bumpy the jelly can be after you've cured it, she goes in with a drill and just kind of buffs over the plate. Now, I did notice a little bit of a gap. She missed a spot, so I did ask her to go back and really fill underneath as well, not just above. And that is really what changed the kind of security of the nail not breaking again. So I'd recommend, if you're in the same situation as me, make sure you ask her to do under and above. But we then go in with 3 coats of Put It In Neutral, just like all my other nails, and it looked good as new, brand new. You can't even see the split now. And I just wanted to take some time to mention that my rings are from Shop CY. You can get 15% off with the code INMYSEAMS15. But yeah, then we just finished it off with top coat, and they looked shiny and brand new. Alright, you guys, I just finished up. Guess how much my nails cost in total? They were $4. Okay, it was just $4 to fix this, not like all my nails. It was $4 to fix this nail. Now, the place that I went to specializes in gel nails. They don't do acrylic, so I'll leave all the details of the place where I went to do these nails down below. I'm really, really happy with it. Let me come up close and show you guys what it looks like. So she pretty much fixed it with a hard gel. It definitely looks like it's going to stay put because she put the hard gel in there. There was a little like kink and gap in between, which I asked her to fill a little bit more. So these are what the nails now look like. It's so hard to focus. Very, very happy with them. That is the fixed nail. My cuticles look really dry because it was just a fix. And then I was in and out really quick. I just don't want to post this and be like, okay, it's fixed. It never is going to fall off. Like, I want to make sure that it is really fixed and that it works and it stays and that nothing happens. And any updates with these nails, I will leave in the description box down below. So make sure you guys go check out the description box too. Thank you guys for making it to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please subscribe down below because I make new videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And I'm also doing a 3-winner giveaway at 50,000 subscribers. So make sure you hit that subscribe button for more nail updates and vlog videos. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!